Yeah, fellow technicians, this is iPhone 6. I just received it this morning from a customer. He said the phone is not turning on. So first I check my battery. When I open the phone, I check the battery is having voltage. Yeah, the voltage in it is 4.7. That's enough voltage to power the phone, but still the phone is not powering. When I check my battery terminal with the multimeter I detected everything is reading normal, but the power is not coming to the board. No power flow on the board. The power has ceased. It seems like the power is only around the battery terminal. So I've washed the phone, I have heat, the power management area, everything, but still the power is not moving through on the board. So I decided to use my short killer. Yeah, this is my short killer. I made this short killer from an old battery. Yeah, I combined two batteries together. This is the positive and this is the negative. So let's see if I can use my short killer to solve this issue. So you connect your positive to the positive terminal of the battery and then your negative to the ground. So let's see. Please watch careful. Watch careful as I'm connecting my positive to the terminal. All right. As I'm connecting my positive to the terminal. Boom. Boom. Did you see that? Let me connect it again. My negative to the negative and then positive to the positive. Have you seen? Have you seen this one? Have you seen? This component is not good. This component is faulty. Let's check it out. Yeah, this component is faulty. So we are going to remove this component. We are going to take it off. Let me try it once again and see. That component is faulty. All right. So we have to take this one and try to replace it back. But after that, let's try and see if the phone will on. I recommend short killer for you guys. Everyone needs to get one if not going to buy a short killer, then do this.